we heard some very good news as an update from the last time that that an iBank was in the works, and now we know that the iBank has started. So from here, what is the next goal and the next few steps moving forward?
Yeah, so actually we started the iBank initiation about 1.5 years back. So it took a long process, and about a month back, as you said, we have got the approval from the government. So what goes on from now is that we had 2-3 contemplations. As I was telling you, there is so much of need of the corneas, and the patients are waiting. So I have started the iBank in E-Road. The iBank is known as E-Road iBank. I have not started in Coimbatore because already Arvind and Shankara, there are a lot of iBanks. There are huge iBanks, and it's very tough for me to get the eyes. So I thought to go to a rural place where it will be easier for me, and it's my rural, I have a rural background, so it's easier for me. So the concept here is two things. That's the iBank is going to be very special in a way that it is going to reach out to the people not only as iBank. It is going to tell them that if you are underprivileged, if you have a cornea problem, please register in the iBank, and iMed will do the screening, consultation, everything free of charge.
Okay.
And then whatever we could do best for them in a subsidized way, because we started a trust in E-Road. This iBank is a trust. So we are going to get the trust people who donated to the trust. So we'll use that money, whatever the cost to cost, we are going to do that. So that's the aim of this iBank, is to not only collect eyes, but also to eradicate the corneal blindness through iMed. So it's going to be a joint work.
Yes.
I think I think many places, it's not that nobody, many places they have started. Even Arvind has an iBank and they are doing work. But this is completely a non-government organization who are also all non-medicos. So it is a group of people who wanted to do social work. So they have started. Okay. So it is not like, and most of the time, I think this will be one of the first iBanks which is not attached to an eye hospital, because any iBank is always attached to an eye hospital.
Yes.
So this it took a lot of time to convince the authorities that these people have a big network, so they'll be able to they'll be able to retrieve eyes, and they can give it not only to me, but they can give it to others also, so to whoever needs it. So that's how we started the iBank. And along with this proposal, as I told you, that we are going to have the association with iMed Hospital,
yes.
E-Road iBank and iMed Hospital to do surgeries at a very low cost, or what cost to cost basis, so that it is really helpful to the community.